Hey girl, so I went ahead and did a dramatic look. I think this will be perfect for Valentine's Day, you know, with the deep red. It just says, you know, sexy, I want to get laid tonight kind of look. Go ahead and check it out and let me know what you think. Also, I wanted to add that I am coming up with more content for my YouTube channel. I plan on posting more than a couple times a week, but I also, of course, makeup tutorial. Makeup is number one. I love makeup, but I also want to be more like inspiring and motivating and, you know, things like that. So if you can help me out and comment below, like, you know, what topics you would like me to talk about. You know, I'll do a lot of talk throughs and get ready with me so we can talk about them. So yeah, and also check the video out and let me know what you think. Comment, share, like, subscribe. Let all your homegirls know about me so they can be fly too for Valentine's Day. Okay, keep watching, check me out. Okay, got the brows already done. I did them kind of semi-dramatic today, and I'm also doing my eyeshadow before my foundation, which I never do. I always do foundation first and then eyeshadow, but I know that there's gonna be a lot of fallout, so doing this first. And I got some tape, so I went in with Morphe palette and I just got a skin tone shade, which is this one, and I went ahead and put it in where we would put our transitional shade, so it can just blend seamlessly without, you know, much effort. So you see it's already like my skin tone shade right there. And I set the rest of my lid with just some Laura Mercier setting powder. Okay, so for the first color, orange shade, and then just start right underneath the where we put that transitional color. Like a subtle red, and we're just gonna blend it up right up into that transitional shade that we put down. There we go. Now we're gonna take this is an old palette from Coastal Scents Jesus. We're gonna take this red right here, put it in our outer corner, and don't blend it up like way too high, just a little bit in our outer V. Okay, you see that, girl? I hope the lighting is good, you guys. I'm gonna take the color All Star in our Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and just to create some definition, more depth in that red shade. Just work your way towards the middle of your lid. There we go. Fluffy brush to blend out the harsh edges. I like to take like just a short, it's like a short fluffy brush, and we're gonna take Rowdy from our Subculture palette. Okay, you see that? You see that? And then we're just going to blend out those harsh edges. Blend out those harsh edges, girl. Like, I laugh a lot, so literally every time I laugh, my eyes water. Okay, so, okay, how does that look? Y'all check it out. I think that looks pretty good. Using some LA Girl Pro Concealer to carve out our, where we want to put our glitter. Just Taking an angled brush. Go slow. Don't talk during this little ordeal or you will mess up. So I learned that you're supposed to let the concealer dry and set before you put anything on it. So we're just gonna wait a few minutes. Okay, now taking our Tarte palette, we're gonna use like this rose color right there. Just to put it on top of our lids, because we're about to put some glitter right there, girl. Now the fun part, so I got some glitter by MUAD Cosmetics, and it's in the color Bella Rosa. It's very pretty. So we're gonna use that with some NYX glitter primer. Oh shit, sorry. Flat brush with the NYX glitter primer on top of our lids, like so. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, oh, I think we're looking good. With Rowdy in the Subculture palette, just to deepen the outer V a little bit more. Oh, my eyes are watering. No. Blend it out a little bit. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. So we're gonna take the tape off. Oh, look at my eyes. Oh, my eyes was watering. I think the tape was like irritating it, but I'm glad it didn't mess the look up. So I'm taking the tape off. I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, now I'm just setting my face really quick. Still got fallout from the glitter everywhere. Okay, now just blending everything in, taking a Sephora powder foundation. Okay, now we starting to look like something. Okay. Okay, girl. Just warm the face back up with MAC's. Oh shit. This is a powdered blush. It's the darkest one. I believe it's a Film Noir. Okay. Now we're doing eyeliner on top of all this glitter. This is NYX MAC matte eyeliner. Still debating if I want a dramatic wing or what, so we'll see. Okay, get super, super thin in the inner corner. Super thin. You do not have to rush this part because you can mess up the whole look. Okay, now I gotta make this one a little bit thicker. Oh my God. This is gonna be a never-ending thing. Okay. How we looking? How we looking, girl? Okay, I think I want a wing though. And put these lashes on. Okay, so using a new pair of lashes. These are not what I usually wear. These are Dodo lashes, D309. I believe these are the longest ones that they have. They look pretty bomb, so let's see how they turn out. Okay, so I love these lashes. They're dramatic for a dramatic look. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to put something underneath. I'm probably just going to do a little bit of mascara because literally if I put eyeliner underneath my eyes or anything, they just water immediately. So I'm still working on that, trying to figure out how to get around that because it's so annoying. So I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara. And it's the cutest little thing, you guys. It's a skinny mascara by NYX. It's so tiny. So yeah, just very carefully because my eyes water like right now. What the freak? No, you are not. No, you are not. Okay, so I'll fix that in a sec. Ugh. Putting a little bit. Just like the tiniest bit, like, oh my gosh, I'm not taking a gamble to like ruin the entire look. Okay, and if you watch my other videos, you know that I go crazy with the highlighter, so just gonna put it everywhere, you know, because it's so pretty. A little bit on the nose, girl. And the forehead. That forehead. Now I can't decide what lip to do. I think I'll just go ahead and do a dark lip. I always do a nude lip, so we're gonna do a dark lip today. Oh my God, it looks so pretty. Dark brown NYX lip pencil. So now ColourPop in the color Lax Ultra Matte Lipstick. What do you guys think? I love this color. I love this color.